helps baby Moses? Who saved the baby in the boat? Who kept that baby's boat afloat? Who loved that baby in the reeds? Who knows what that baby needs? Who cares for you in just that way and gives you all you need today? Yes, God's the one who day by day will care for you in every way. You like the book? Let's turn the page. Little David beats Goliath. Oh yeah, look, little David. Who chose someone really small to fight a giant 9 feet tall? Who helped small David fight and win? Who made him strong and fought for him? Yes, God's the one. And guess what too? He'll help a little child just like you. Can you turn the page? He really likes it.